daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winya no baby ya
Right, Yama for any Atifa Paba, and from Kumawood Television, Sinipi Medi, and Emrason say it me a Sinipi at the MLB Oshay at the Flibia, and Takasia at the Field Studios of Kumawood Television at the Maya Food in Attitude, any more Oshay at the free Amane. No, away, that's Nancy, William Ray, now at me at the more Shedenson, say Osho Spinania, obey whom numbers no, or more than the WhatsApp message. Afa brani nyamre entimi enkenkan enkomedin edit se mic na Ghana Health Service ene centre for educator nwachiri mu said the COVID-19 yare no isi ko oman Ghana ene Dr. Patrick Abwaje actually mu se yare no yade se sese de yadu no pick ni kra no ebi no on the 27th of April enti na se de yare de ene ma ba for mo anisa. It must have said Kasase or prepare grounds at the man his excellence under for the said Beya. And I mean, not to see that so near Kasa, Abia, Naman and I'm so Akase, any public gatherings, no, be uncle, and play the Juma. Now, and also my kind, I'm a letter commission, at me, I compile a new voter register. That's nice, William now get me Eddie, and also M for more, or I say, wouldn't say a name about my Ghana, 3,091 cases and they are recorded on COVID-19, and then one more phone after another one said a free one deaths no, and so 18 still 18 one and 18 at all so far 303 Ghana for me already and Yadum etimi at all. Remember now get me Eddie home and come up here and there so and now only say other issues of say Ghana Education Service teacher for a promotion exam somewhere February 20th and 21st. Promotion so test no in way aba teacher for do no apasi e also affiliate I was almost a reset and also 18,475 teachers and in apasi deputy director grade no 2,336 and a tray 1,140 representing 48% teachers and it me edin kunim assistant director 1 grade no 7,170 and a tray and then 4,709 and a pass 65.7%. Assistant director 2 grade no 18,238 and a tray and pass 10,860 representing 59.5%. And so inti ehon kobo aba ha benyamre na yetumi adi na the track to follow di no no principal superintendent grade no principal soup no 2536 ekotre 1766 ena etumi di nkunim 69.6%. Ene the director general edema Ghana Education Service Professor Opokuwa Mankwa ede atubia say teacher for no modern bono aso nipa ebenya mre na ye di ho nkobo on COVID-19 the minority dem kuma omo ma shibidwam enso aye nsantwefo nhyiamu ede nsem atubia omo say aban ne ma oye no ense da enso anisa ye ho behia saban no ebe toto ne ma eyi omo say the first 2 cases they recorded here aban na ma false hope sasa ne ma ye beto no so do no hwemu a ene ma ense da enyesa behia mre na edi enkomo NPP amanyukuru ne say owura Peter Makmenu odi omanim ema amanyukuru no ekwa akon 2016 as a campaign manager ekowi actually na party na dinkuni still Makmenu ensan eni enimu bio emfama NPP amanyukuru no for 2020 campaign as a campaign manager and as a campaign director and also ehon nsemo ha unu say nra na eyotiko koso 242 Santumewura na en birthday na woda na enya broker I know na vice president e da tuji ase to koso 242 tosu yenu oya na advice on the 24 na obwa no e ma wotimi edina juma na NDC amanyokuru so no ade se omo ese Owura Alete Jacobs Bernard Alete Jacob educated fisherman Central Region enkane regional chairman omo suspended ni yebia oye no so ni nti o match no edno assessing sami ba concern youth of Central Region ede kokopopa na ede ama NDC amanyokuru pise fam so mo ko hobio pise omo enomo ni eno so ho komo ewa ha John Dramani Mahama His Excellency former president so say what the Owura abronye DC na command CID for CID for no na insemi akafa no ho akato no so no omunye mu hwehwemu this is not the first time Sadia no be AC my Ghana ne bi mu kwa se o ampenda da Mahama na o se ko yina ni ehun se no se binyamre na yetumi e no ya ntiasem da my Ghana once again in the western region of Ghana Takrade na Enyagro Apramodo Kwasimintim municipal nkwanhia isiye ma tankers mienu ejato mu ma abofra ba konya ntie se otona no e wo sere no eno so no e ho nkomo e wo ahasi na the Ashanti Regional Director of Ghana Health Service Dr. Emmanuel Tenkran o se oba Ashanti Regional ayese wono wo nya COVID-19 ni bi no dodo no ano e mofra ana so me youth mabunu pa na yare no omo enya bi edi ena mabunu ena yare no COVID-19 no omo e wa Ashanti Region the usakra wo no 10 years and then I think 88 years any day when you mu a so yare no bi aye no e wa Ashanti Region we ene nsamfufu bi atransie no ebenyamre na yetumi adi komo bere ne ye nkomo pa no is on the COVID-19 ena afi so the Minister for Roads and Highways, Minister for Roads, Owura Amakwata say. Akwanya hodo Ghana, ompani asha say amu ye nyina. By the end of this year, na the monster say nyina, omo wi. Eno so hunko, benyamre na yetiye. Fa dem say bra na yenyamre enkenkan emfa ema. Ebeja fa transe, amenko makwaba na afi yemfa nkomo no. Ehyeso ewo ifidie mase. Dr. Bernard Ifa a senior lecturer Kumasi Technical University ebi aniu na ya ne ka be ya na say Dr. Kwara
ya mi ase mai
bokode
nyame adom me ho ye na mo nso
de adom nso
woni we crew na members ni na
bia ho ye pa
ma se wade na yina ade na emu ahye
ade no nya
be dem se ye ntem tete kakra nti ya de se betimi eyi
sure social distancing
if I can be say physical distancing
physical distancing not social distancing
at the moment we are socially not at a distance but physically we have some distances the social distance is a broader term but the physical distance is what is happening between me and my brother that is the physical distance
regional communication team member for the NDC Ashanti Region. Of Akaba.
Ohene Major Suarez.
Bokode.
Ja, ebe ne den. Den kura woni boafo.
No ahwe kase yi o, fi se bia no ahwe kase yi na obi wie ne ko suspend.
Oh, me kasa de se woni me hwe ne ye bribia. Ana 7 prabia sanyo obi ne ball me ho me ne me kasa ne tu me mo. Ana wa kire me se de me nko no. Entetiye eni fie me firim ne abusua me firim no. Ena kire se me de ani die be ma me ho. E de ama mabusua. E de ama asafo me wom. Na me nko overboard. Because account ntina na account. Ena me nye sure se obi wo Ghana ha se ya na se baby se wo kasa ya se ya suspend. So
Basa kasa ena ma lote diko. Ma suspend.
Oh, that's your opinion. Now media no. Ya na mo ye mobo. Mo bi no media no kure ni ya na ye mo bi. Mo ye mobo. Because the ya na se mo wo baby am interest wo. NDC press conference e de ba baby no ya ka kire wo bia se kasa na ma ye suspend no. But mo personal interest inti mo peke na mo choose na mo kire de mo pe e kire afoforo.
Boy e dey na.
Afa na wo ye wadwuma se media.
Ma suspend.
Dia wonni mu no wo busa ye na manya abote na ma kire wo mu. Na by the way ma me fa kwanya eso na me nkire ye wura. Otumfo say to opem so wo. Unse enura na ye na woda. Mfi aduoso de enu de yakopon de ma ye. Dia kaso nyina na ye bonus. Nti yesrem kwatentena ho de ne wo mi yansa ne nimdie wo. Ade makin Solomon. Suspension ye de ma lokoje alote Jacob no. Enye kasa. Ye ka kire no ye former Central Regional Chairman. Ena Peace FM ye wo 2 slots. Ena wo so NDC
on Wednesdays.
On Wednesdays. Enunti 2 slots no. Ye communication team ni decide enipa e was a ne oko. But Kwame Sefa kan ye chairman no permanent and as a regular you work Wednesday no. Na omo address ni say social commentator. E basa na omo disadvantage NDC. Ana ne kasa waka no on kasama NDC your position in anything.
Oh sir.
Oh yes. Oba because of your introducing as a social commentator no. Waka na dwene enya mfomso on one opinion. Asem bi aba but asem na aba na wo opinion no. Party as NDC and as MPP so e won opinion.
Okay.
Say you see you be new register. NDC as a party in your opposition. And me individual as of ata me opposition. So me jinama me kasa se of ata. Ni opinion was me show but me betena se NDC niya or say me ka NDC position nya me ni opinion. Ati say mo akwa sorry na ye to aba na nipa nine enum se yankwa enan se yankwa ye fa num ne de wo pro anka wo nine ne position de ba wo pro wo she num ne de mu but alotejo kopon ye hu ne saa enye saa so ne ye hu no enti ye
se wadan NDC ana.
Oh, so we jaya e wono anasem na Kuradu Ajama Rollins one de kunu ye be ka so mo ye founder of NDC but Kuradu Ajama Rollins timi ja NDC koi and Kuradu Ajama Rollins e kasa on kasa emfa ma NDC enu nti so kwotena wona so kwotena be na ka se o ye Rollins e yiri nti de wo ka ne ye MDC positioner o so NDC dwuni mienu enti the fact that no ye former regional chairman when NDC was Central Regional, it doesn't mean that some of the Kabiano represented the position of NDC. And no NDC did let a Peace FM say, management say, and the person may see, young person of the representative. So Peace FM, your media house, what Tina Juma Warriors here, and one is a woman you know representing the power. Now, do a little joke of Apple Shebe before because of no peculiar agenda. No person will use a little joke of an ANT. Ye ka yo no man tiase nti the best thing and say ye be ma wiase nyina ehunu say alote Jacob enya NDC ni biem nti enne se okasa ni say alote Jacob former NDC chairman banye the one representing NDC it's simple.
Dogs
Sir Mike,
the issue of suspension say papa no ne nsem bia wo ka no nye party leader the omo atwena say we dey fake Functional Executive Committee for and I help with this man and I'm referring to my discipline committee. And the topic of Utian who said, oh, yeah, go wayward against the NDC.
yo, Sir Mike, Mamma Nawasi. Said of Ata, can you now or chair or team for Mamma Minchianibi? Sir Mike, Politics has some rules, and I do maybe I will home share. I'll tell you, be a me penasempa, and I say, me the discussion, but sometimes, dinner in political circles, some more like majority whip, minority whip. If you don't fall in line, say I say, what school now? You say class 1 for my line. Class 2 mu line ni na we ni line ni mu and na politics so my say you be a wa ni line ni mu yi no obi twa to ma na wa ba be dum yi in politics ye nyina ye wo kwan itimi kire ya dwi sometimes your personal opinion emphasis say me ba ha ye school ni ye won hihye if I can't speak on behalf of the school you see I me ba ha any comment that I make is attributed to me personally. And I will embrace you according to me ba. Na magina sa akonya no and not the school no na meye den make asaman. Aha anti school no won hye. Na me kan ni enu nyina abom. Yen fan say me ba ha na ma be kan ni enu nyina abom. Na school no hu say the American no emwa na ono betwe ne ho afiri me ho. Ndi our more press release not the buy and the maybe as going by principle the normal was uokum and and one principle of political party when you join they say you don't put the name of the party in disrepute. It's not about the crew at this moment, you know, it's about party position. Nansa bi me kaise bibia sa na Ras Mubarak be gina ho kire na dwen so radio no so peace from joy FM or kaso from ntiminya ne hwe but the next day one is a party ku ntu ko a enhyehyɛ sometimes ebi ho a enyodo but say also kura as chairman them time so udi enimu ye enhyehyɛ bi a anya bi mu so de ede na sabre no mo na ntimi ankogina ankasa ntia and it is all about trying to merge the two so even personal stand krana you can go contrary to the party stand na and man no so open say you speak and it will be used against the party because they say say the all other political parties no say do one more be pick say mo former chairman krasi say mo former chairman krasi say and party suspension they say normal it cut across now say a whole party chairman national chairman general secretary ordinary secretary the way regional and other parties I never call me regional chairman
but and someone say MPP for concerning the suspension of Aloteji Corps someone NDC for so can you bra na MPP for a suspended the Afoko and Afezo. I said, who said a Basia, not MPP for no so much as NDC for MP democracy. So, we do so terms of Sana NDC for so can't against the MPP.
And Sana, sometimes the two political parties now take for that issue. Because if you say, say this time is against NDC in the MPP for jubilating now. That is not the case. Say we will honor a quotia we are now we use as a case for political and as a media freedom. What NDC press release media to me as a normal ordinary Ghanaian, they issue a press release indicating some clauses in their constitution. Say he has gone contrary to that, and a party can suspend you. They said they've not sacked him from the party. He has been suspended and referred to the discipline committee. And this is the fair face of the whole issue. Discipline committee will sit on your case, and if they find you worthy or unworthy, they can now sack you from the party. A party can sack you from the party. You remember in some of their constitutions, what clearly said, for instance, if the party has a candidate and somebody is going independent, now could independent next year, automatically you forfeit to be a member of the party. And due to party be say MPP or NDC or candidate. Now some party A. Name my candidate no one will be so co-independent because they are all some of the rules. You tell me suspend so they are now of attack former first lady Ebi Tonesa and they easily suspended her Emma Ofri. Aloto will have some cloud around him, but you should also think that party is group of individuals who've come for a collective interest. And if you think this time your interest is not in line with theirs, you either leave or find where your interest belongs to. But you can't be in here and say, I'm part of you, but this is my interest or this is what I stand for. You can't blend the two.
Okay. Then I say, Dr. Bernard Ifa, senior lecturer, Kumasi Technical University, and Mote on submission. Wabian channel, but back on 0543 596070. WhatsApp, who was pinning or Omadiana Fabian channel for Sobra, Nayambre, and King Kai. When fast enough, ma Annalen Royal Enterprise, or say, Biara, instrument, the Digua so them, a day a bonum mount, Concron, is Sanady. Banakatu wenye bi ede amasanso e na kafefe capsules mana mema no madro ba ko betun aboamo edi mu asama mo kafefe capsules moden na ebebito na entumi emwa mame sama fata we de ketewa bi on abronye e na afi wan penada ajon
what say down and kasanu ye womra ana ye de mra so na ye adwuma se ye kaso obi aye nadwene se mekum obi a aye criminal offense ana ye say die o allege no o se say nipa ne prove say ampa onim die wo ka enye ordinary person bi se Bono regional chairman of the ruling party se ohwe abronye on ni nsema waka as ordinary ne die obeka se nke hu hia kura se John Dramani mama na say NDC ebe so ne so because sebi previous sebi we tifia do akora bia ko no ma bi ba no be keka nsemu na won to ne so for ordinary person bia wo tinchen a onim abronye onim no sebi bia wo ka nsemu no onkanya tasem so wo ye din na wo tena wa onu ti wo be ka say ne de nipa na ka na ye no kore enu ti say a whole regional chairman etimi ka say John Mama ene no nkrofo apena ne se ombekum MPP fo abra John Mama di president na MPP fo wo position wo nkum obi na ne MPP fo wa ban mu and na se ene no obeku na obemu se sabe ye nkwase asem nenso for the sake of record nti na wo so national security ni bam na omfrɛ no ebia no information bia yennim na yetoto na no na se yetoto na no na wo di evidence ne ba onim se enche kura onye se yefro obi power 1 watimi akokum ho sojani papa sojani papa no okun no
so onankasa retired army officer
thank you and that so one military mu yetimi akunam na yeye and who knows bia echine bia de be chine nipa mienu awuda ha MPP fo miensa bi wuda ha yesi sa bro ye kan say don mama ti obekum wo mo ana ya mpa ho asamanka enti right thing ana liter any former president aye no se be na information bi wo wa yennimu a abronye betimi aboy na se ekotwetwe mu ani mu so waka ne kwa oni nyina so bi a ni am type of people a sebio yato abamo mu MPP mu lead MPP
hu no se oni evidence bi
o na wa abronye wo yes nto won sa abronye wakanya tasem da wo yes nto ni o won sa abronye wakanya tasem da
no fata you are not being fair
I'm being fair abronye na be ka kire ye say ye can notorious arm robber wo MPP mu a ye so ma kire me enu ti say akufu adu ampamo so ma kire ma sebi brothers on ko radio so bi wanka ana akufu ko ye so ma kire me efiri wode ne ko natural resource na no ya no kure mi gidi sanya no kure nye se so ma kire me ye MPP ni ntimi gidi ni nsema wo kika bi ensisi so abronye nsema wo kika bi asabi nyansa nim but ya ye din ya ka say eye politics nti once who busa doctor no busa say ana foko dia ba ye MPP NDC for workers na enye mo wa so ye doctor we so smart and fair no ka to say eye no create the fact that yeah political party ka say we here say doesn't mean say writing or we kwa political party ni eye so just here Ghana for when na what some for so win pa and so you prefer say mo be interview san crofo no ma to bomb na mo dey banner headline enti enema bi wo ha Ghana e wo say yes kire no ni ye ka kire nipa bi ani esu bi nipa bi dead no yetimi ka kire wo mo no mo say there bi esuba we dey enye amoa na nipa no esesa rather than that ne dey ye be ma kwan amobia atobom enti bi dey America ne say eye pa say president former president one year na say obekwa ne personal
but to be fair to Abronye oni studio and now this is one Kenyan society.
And that's my opinion. You can disassociate yourself from it.
Yes, but I think say
I would think that's my opinion and I stand by it. You can never run away from my opinion. Which mean you may imagine you free himself. And to you and your crew and your studio no station no better me disassociate yourself from that. Me say Abronye one Kenyan society. No one Kenyan society so that. So Abronye when this mupa sebi branch secretary kura na branch organizer kura wonya.
But
Samai, I'm saying, of our hit power. Mega hit on the grounds of information, but message say sometimes discourse na and try say you have a human face kakrabam. Sometimes I respect his opinion, but normally we should also make submission saying that submission will stand forever. Ojina we omo na party for MPP for na ndi omo ye namfo omo ye namfo njubo izo obewi na nadafo we say kura nadafo so me Abronye no wa friends e wona aka sese nti ye nye se de nkura na itia obi nkujira bi ngaze o na nye ofata kura na ka se Abronye se the opinion is saying no enzo be no ne namti I believe said the all can say those discussions meaning na sometimes bomb they say this time your politics when you very fine in the kakra and the idea back Vice President Baumia the bar politics ma you see indirectly also be defining different role kakra and say when the my politics more of data usage and as will be other kind ones of attack as evidence now say it do baby na asem no first now will be a can sama
kind of waka
obi o one ma just o converting for position bi anaze adefufuro bi anzana yakobisa na oze na nyawo na wo kan sei no
atia me dunu ama medwu adomo ni
na wo bo se wono because when me kan wa but nowadays when they said the can see e bi enu kura betra me of atate yi menyi ni se obeka asem bi afa no adi e bi just the data e kan ho se sei anti those times na ye kan sem no sabi Mr. kan say e do ba bi say former president Mills kura obi di natem e ma ye chi no e de na sefo president Kofo so nkrofo bebre kan sem be ahodo bebre ene sensem ahodo bebre but nowadays no ye mrantie na ye ba no e to da bia bo say na nsem wa no obi bo afu say sam jamfi e na de ndo so me ntwedi na nsem na nya botre mante na ye ba no so wo style a ye di remu kakra enti ebi wa na ye political jargon nipa no sometimes obehiti anaja mpanyimfo no so eni aba no and ebi wo so a bonyi be ka say ye rebata and in politics the tactics keep changing sometimes we go to me aka say bia the attention was to be taken from certain things
ma menko ahomano so yin pedi komo akra enro nya nantie se secretary afan place o how be siwa ma rubbish akwa attacking crowfood ma menko na mene Isaac Ayensu a protwa chairman that area including komo ai oti enka ya mo agbenumre
ya ramia
ya boko de
yesu adomo ya wo ye
good domo ye enra e de sie was secretary afan place
you mean I'm not sure if you anymore. I'm saying, Madam, I think more yet the boy, my Ghana, because in a more, and I'm going to do the Sunama, and can you be a better dear coffee? Because I feel a place no, don't cook. I mean, I don't say, anyway, if you can't do Toko, and you can sue. You're the land best at this time, yeah, by 5:30, and the land near quarters, Yaba Cook, the capital, district. I mean, you come on, I have for I do. funny. Yeah. Yeah, we are say no more to be down. When I'm the car. When I'm the car. Yes, more to be down. I'm supposed to be about an accident. In slow down car. Preocupa me and any person wish me a true me. But now the party bro come man and do that. We be two jam so I know we jam so if you make any purpose success so much. If you come up to make it true. When any card better now as possible. Omo bia si da fo. That will let me show me to make 14 million. And the mobile phone, you know, out there, come on. You put me enough for and the two cassa, me send up, but you said, oh, you are two goals to jam and cafe. You need that you see one day, in fact, we should be that. We give the other said, which I could give you. You won't buy more, no, I have you mean one minute that over my life. If I don't say,
ọmọdé o $1,400 benefits firi sẹm.
o tó ọyẹ dẹ.
ọmọdé o sika firi efiri bọtọm.
ọmọdé o bí esika o ti káàtó fẹyìn ní ma o bí o ti tẹ bi àwọn jí fún mi sẹm.
so
ayé mo bá fọ.
ma report ẹ di ama place.
gbàdé mi tó kàn yìí.
ma report ẹ di ama place.
nípa tó ẹ má ẹ ní kí ẹ bẹ report ma polisi ní sẹ mata. ẹ gọfún mi wíyà mi ní ẹ ma ẹ ó wíyà mi ní ẹ ma. ẹsẹ àkọtọ ẹ ẹnna sọsẹtì ẹkyi wọn ẹmọ ọkọtọ àwọn àṣẹ police station kọsẹ bí sin ní asẹmẹntì náà kọkọ ọtí dá second one obi bẹ tẹnɛ tí mo mi sọ ẹsẹ kọtọ sún kẹsì bí sẹẹsẹ àti náà mi tí wọn hwèé ẹni wọn tẹ̀lé sísẹ ẹni wọn tẹ̀ kó police station ni wọn ti dìgbà mu kẹkẹ ó yà sẹ ẹni wọn tẹ̀ kó wọn kọ́mọ fún wọn yìí na ní ẹni yẹn sẹ wọn police wẹ̀ di ọwọ́ màá nkọ́ kurum mọ́tà ọ̀pá ní yàrá sí o police yẹn o ti bìrì ọ̀yẹ́ sẹ́ta ọba níbi ọbẹ̀ ní kókò fi ní kókò ní ẹ̀bá ọ ọbẹ̀ tí wọ́n wà ní ọ̀fẹ́ kọ́ káà ọ̀fọ̀ káàkọ́ ẹ̀dì ayé òpin àná yàtọ̀ pé yẹ màá ní kò tẹ̀lé ṣe náà nẹ̀fẹ̀ ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì ọ̀ ní ètò ẹ̀tí tó à tẹ̀ kúrò fún ogun àtẹ̀lẹ́ jà ètì mọ́tà ètì di ẹ̀há mi nínú papa ní ẹ̀mí papa màmí yóò ti papa òbí ọ̀yá ṣe náà ọ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ̀tà ẹ̀wọ̀ one branch bi a tìrì bí sí adé náà ọmọ ẹ̀yà fáwọn. ọ̀hún tẹ́ mi yàtọ̀ àti wọ́n yẹ ìṣe mọ́ ẹ̀ mí nìyà lọ́sẹ̀ mọ́ bàbí àmọ́ akọ́kọ́ máa dùn kódà tẹ ọ̀hún ìṣiṣẹ́ bíbí sí akọ́kọ́ náà sẹ́bi ọ̀hún ní àkàndé polisi ní bàkọ́ ọ̀tún ní tìrì bíà yẹ́ dẹ̀ sọ́fọ́tì sáde wò.
where is Setrafan Plain South, right?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can ask it. You're not going to be in Comona.
Mati, Medasi.
Isaac Ayensu, Enra, Okan, Nkofwa. I'm Roberts, attack your mom. We I hope I highway robbery. Na a geom and near Obekaya, that area. His Excellency the President of Ghana, Eba Abribi, Ashanti region. Ko no matter when you can say bambon mo from fisaposi for no krano eni asanya on wetimi enisu bebo mo de ne ewura ho na ko bisa say obra wo do mo samtoro o mambani anim say omuni asyan aposi for no makande ni ho no besi nei ne na bai na aban na ye de abo mo astel no ano robin no egusu akosisa dot to aso na fa no su
so Mike me dase me so yenu ya no so yen hye ni nkran say wasem ko police station ba ko na bia yentimian prosecutor eno nche say we a very serious matter ti yesre omo entu ma police
say you check straight police for Nagasati.
Oh, okay.
And you say the omo so
but sometimes case bi o ni obi a ono ye de ni be hye ho aye na ye state na eno no ga say do ba bia the state itself can drop the case me that say this is my na me can say ye nua abronye these are all meaning politics na bi na sabe omo edi no nti say kasa bi wo hono ma say de of attack no say panyfo to ensa afre no de ha adwen bebre say onko na yenkoti na no asem o sabe say eti say de o ye obi say eto da bi aka che obi say obehu keke kra no ade be che na bibia ye na ye de ani hwehwe nti onko and say or say or evidence no sometimes e bia na said o sina so no so pino
but do you believe in his statement who tell him who says more can I know the fact
it's within the context it depended because sometimes they do have me say within the political environment but this is not the period of politicking and this time in Waban if it's one of those, I wouldn't be surprised. But if it's not one of those now, and the CID normally may not require sometimes there. Assembly of you can invite you a taking statement we are now in future now subsequent lecture assembly here. And the only semi be on the campaign platform no different. And of late so he's in the political discourse no trying to match NDC. And it can be some of those political tactics.
Dr. Medasi, Dr. Baba Zamu, master planner, Kintampo, Yachapa, Dodi Abba, was there some political parties who are very funny, Papa. The physical spy is for Pamunidi, not just any who was a better pa, and I be a cat also, Emma Yusubi to be a few so. I feel pardon, Ama, and people so with me. Now, government officer one. Intermediary 5 among contents of win and no section. We saw the Citizen Francis or say proud to election 2016. I'm pretty right on the money Mahama air Kizu, Mampany or Tisui. Say a Juma would say the party company football suspended or mono. And so, knowledge they say, were intolerant. Kobani said the day on no opposition, no, also the party chairman, former party chairman was suspended. We exercise on the money Mahama in the social form, not in the cinema. Rainbow Kaswa, Nedia, or the Abba, or say 2016 elections, no. Now, NDC put on proper, and will tell himself from trying Marathon, so or 7 Fatcher, and 1 was 7 Fatcher. The Abronians say, or evidence, whatever call Ama Mahama, it me I suppose, on the other father, bra, the skin and found message in a brand young and King Kai and from Utrecht.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba.
Right, yes, I'm here for Papa and from Kumawood television. Sinupimre and Yenya Ibuso eating como every minute of my Ghana. Set of money because so it to be a 2 point. How do you? Isinupi. Emra, the say Western region, Takrade. At Rented BSC, I'm once again in Takrade, Brante Bapa, number for a quarter number. Young Papa Manaso, now Lord Tevia, or Century or Western region. Lord, what say your car and what you book more TV?
Never him a jodo.
Good. The Yabakodi.
Yayadu.
Takrade is saying.
Takrade Boko after that ended the Jack sister after the market. Would you wouldn't Takrade Boko?
And I did see here. Now, if you're not answering this in there, if you're not say,
me, I'm a dancer. Ended the Yabe don't grow. What pin? Ninian today, a Jack is be out from the market or a few question municipal assembly. Into your band and your could be no swinging on so catch it. It's a new you to you want Sankasa. Now, what's a day? Tanka cars if you now full in our opaja. Now, as the sound the appear in my deposit or the media issue. Now, unfortunately, I brought a general talk on containers are deep to amount for a general two. Now, small boy, I would be not the container my way mobile moon. Every day, in fact. Na present no ogoni dia small boy ma fa ka ba wo friend Henry wouldn't Fabian no we ya what the me ejeshimo the body and the you happy
na e dia pa na dia ne ba ye na tankers no na omo offload fu na
nke the tankers no wo offload mo fu nemu wo so procedure one so tanker drivers no me so di on business say and one of the containers will be also what the business out to the before nothing into a quite a walk on the start the criminal work what happened in the me generator the me tanker casino but biara ne and pay your one and your call no police work obey investigations wash your conma or con of federal madame at your enemy who see ended the bat. When number as we speak now, one to win your solution, one to move the magic, the mighty no go for the media show no pay. After we end the year.
A fine young cassa to be precise, or tapade, a fine young cassa, a fine require aximuno, and a tapano, then I'm okay and as a fine admission.
Oh, a corner, if you are permitted just traffic lights one and now to bed 200 meters a honor. Now, your main charge, a honor soon, the main generator no ben filling station, or some ben gas filling station, and to say there are doesn't put it get a sender, okay. One could do a filling station, another gas filling station, Sagan could do a donkey, will be sit up in here as a papa.
Lord, you're not saying me, that's Lord Tevia, a reporter, Western region, Enra, at Rangemwa, a 2 month from Western region, about 2 years, what on was Yaya, and Hunko, and they could emphasize that Enfama, Anolan Royal Enterprise, so see open and then maybe a guaso if you have ama Hunkono, HML canon, organ, keyboard, trumpet, electrical guitar, and have a acoustic one, drum sets. Microphones, amplified speakers, congos, and the American one, bra. Now, Untimima will be 8 minutes. Now, I tell you, a woman said, Sikarun Tianina, who be a crap. Now, Yakano, Yamam Red, a spread amount, but in a cry grass up on Solitary. Now, will be Anolan Royal Enterprise. They will come say, a Santamante Mocronum, Donko Junction, and Abu Anolan, say, or more than a cop. Now, a copy instrument in between me more. It be so crown woman. We have hotel and I say when you now say a live band the bomber one or meet me a bomber come on I'm out is an the phone part from on to face 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 from now on to me and also now if you know and you say my son doctor get you a bit of it and ready see
it's a right medals be a Jana nation, yeah. Now, I best say, this time, I think the last time there was an incident we should have safety officers in most of our agencies, especially senior high schools, tertiary institutions, basic schools, and even have a course on safety. Although we see now, sometimes tanker driver no need idea be say. When you kakraba come some drainage yes, but the effect no and no be na no. So what brings about flames and all those objects into contact no e be a baby awuko no never be ohonma and friendly to fire but takwa there ya say ya to aso hododo
ya doso
gas and then
service personnel
but the emphasis to be Bureau of National Safety. I think almost can some they will emphasize on that safety no you took one among across the whole nation because a giant tanker and doors. This is not an accident too.
It will be on top.
So we see said the union and apply the activity message say na commission for no yapo because after 2 years you will be nim of consensus will be in the open now your best say any kwara na mata bia me nim kon so we see story na kwara ye miensa be man family na oba ne jaba ko no
ba ne se no refi
excuse get pen na be mo
because san for fan no na di jana tu be
man no excuse so de man dies no kure ni nya ya obi ne wo ne de asie no na nipa pese be come be bra excuse me bra de en wo do what so mo nyi
okay ma ko din ko mamra ma ko jeje kakra bi fan free a legal team member for the NDC lawyer Ibrahim Amaleba lawyer option kan e member wa kwa the back mouth TV
mejo mo say
you say ready adum ye hu ye won so ho ye pa good we ye tiawa enyina so no ne sen ma benda da jonda mani mahama o say what their project DC eco CID
ajina so no say OSHA section 208 of our Criminal Offences Act OSHA asem no enya no kre police for etini echino, and I'm talking about publication of false news, sections 1 and 2. Na monyina mwati nsema abonye wataka, and yes wataka. This is the 5th time waka say former President Mahama and Eku former President Mills. This time he added that former President Mahama was share meeting on the field. Ashe Bose more than Tade, the share and Kofobi, MPP Tade, MPP for, including himself. Na say asem we ba say ba le say and yeah asem a obeka say you will not react to it because continuously na wataye and ebinum so ewo ho ebi ameno me say I don't listen to Abonya so the kasa will not affect me but ebinum omotie no omodi be tuja omoti ebe omo say e ya no kre. And so we needed to do this so that the police can take over and do investigation. So once we are proven, then they should charge him under this law. So that's why the former president instructed his lawyers to lodge a complaint at the CID.
Well, I also the one tenant, but some of them didn't community. Almost say, tell you how nice more campaign. If you have a correct, and I'm going to say a normal political talk here.
In some way, I don't like this type of thing. So it's a normal political talk. It's like somebody will say that, oh, stop today, out to me, boy, be so, get you on there. The laws of this country work everywhere, even in your bedroom. And we should reduce our politics to that. There must be an end. So who enemy address say your politics now, the way we play the politics, the way we do the politics, and those type of people are there in both NDC and MPP. And an example is Abonya no. So look, you mention this Oba say you should look after Abonya. I'm sure you expect say your son should grow up and look like Samuel Oku. Should look like your friends John Boydu. And so if we have people like that, it is incumbent upon you, me, to ensure that those people don't come near politics. So this fight, or this report, is to weed off and perform what you say, there's no place in politics that make me and the wife when I have no proof. So we need to put an end to it. President and particularly for Mahama, they go to school. Now when they go to school and then they get the video, their police are asking, oh, is that what your father is doing? How do you think they'll feel? That's what you should understand.
Nti Boamio say we no ekoba ne say abronye afumwa emra no esesen
ekoba say
abronye afum ensem no kan no nyina so a emra no se den
okay section 208 publication of false news. A person who publishes or produces a statement, rumor or report which is likely to cause fear and alarm to the public or to disturb the public peace, knowing or having reason to believe that the statement, rumor or report is untrue, is false, commits a misdemeanor. Okay. That is where we are coming from. Washada, waka, umpenya kwe, nso waka, ama nkofo, ajinedi, and when you say NDC
legal team member and a hotel in Canada. Was we almost we at the Japan to Wamagana and Libya who said, Selby, a banner will come here. So we must once Maka said a very international issue and of our hobby and for Emma. Of our send one. I don't know what happened.
Medima nobody said that can messily say. A bra, Bearman so family, you know, or the own con. The best thing I go bet me answer go back handing me Numa or Barno. Now, Waku. I will also catch a ban and say, a corner of fat. Oh, said I don't know, creamy. I don't know on the tap. Was one and net that demo, according to the matches, one and net that demo, now for another one to other. And to a more the tea, they didn't say, did there be a course of a bomb Bearman and a Bearman in the call? Now, we're piercing a jacket to one wall. And what do you want to say? So fun. I guess I want to mean, meanwhile, so what catch a Bearman say, hey, Quadrumayo, no psycho family. I don't know Bearman near Palano. Now, one more a Bearman or Uncle San. And to answer about no air contradictory. And so make your best say, you're my ending now. When you're baby and I be near people near this year. And your common sense of what's your pride. Yet me the achieve. Yama Prano, my men in the Papa and the Bishop for you now. Yeah, no more material, more Japan, but Yama in our one.
Okay, for the bra 0543 596 070 0543 596 070. I will be screening here at the home. One day I find Jennifer Sobra, na Inyamre, and Kinkai, and Fa Emma. COVID-19 so far. 3,000, I think 3,019. Still, the death remains 18, which is good news. And then, Ghana Health Service said, you do peak. New cases in an answer or form in this so said a tear over a chassis. But, who tear Dr. Emmanuel Crying, Ashanti Regina health director as well. Was it Mabun in the power center?
Yeah. We are Namiadum. So if Ghana Health Service can you do a peak, where the COVID-19 graph, no, every graph said you draw, you start, it goes up, it gets to a peak, then it declines, and then it comes to flatten. To Italy for the or other countries, no, what they were looking for is if the death was going to 1,000 per day, it gets to that peak. Now start a buffer. To get to a point, you have something like 20 and Wananka a bit flattened. Fortunately, the Danyamia is there all this while. If our cases is up to 3,019, we are hoping it wouldn't get overboard. Based on the Inshisha and 4 years ago. Health service for most often they say they are relying on the science data. Tina you call 3 weeks lockdown and you be relaxing and the health protocols no ego. I may believe because there were a lot of contact tracing that they were doing, and the contact tracing now no more and another result no ever. And if they've seen and done all the contact tracing and tested no more in your figures, it means almost a year journey padding in a ESO.
But the youth,
what happens is some of this contact tracing and as almost different because at the moment it looks like they're imported because they are man phone and they buy. And the almost any contact got in contact with most of the youth. Surprisingly, at the beginning of the COVID-19, we were made to know. So you do but I think by one you say 10 years say whatever. Immune system per se. Sometimes depending on your blood group, your food that you take, your intake, any your emotional and your money affected immune system. So and once they do baby. Youth maybe so you can you tonight ranges up to let's say up to 35.
But as something original say 10 years.
And America said those were the vulnerable ones that even in the lockdown, maybe mupie. and crowd control no was difficult. So I fix what say, and once at this time school is not in session. The crowd will have few, and how they will trouble parents. A crowd will be if she be inward one of the obediago. So the interaction like a crano, and then you to know aside somebody like 10 years ago. When you go beyond from 20 to 35 now, those were the group time I can say lockdown will be typical say or better take room and answer or better the question. Those boys now answer those mante one. A do by say no more. A do by now will be one Kumasi Chrome no to member. But I told you there Bokru and answer, I told you and answer, Sawasi and answer crew from there. A honor there no meeting Asia. So we are not so surprised because rather than Kokrafon, they say Shefi and no Shefi, but we know they know who Pie Kakra.
In few words, Obakase on Penny Abon Homode in fighting this COVID-19.
Every pandemic, however you manage it, if only you get to it peak for the graph to decline, at least a credit will be given to you, provided it hadn't escalated. Say and two are some Koyena. Do the peak, which means we've contained it. Some of the measures, because we've never experienced such a pandemic before. In fact, the whole world in the crown, over developed countries, cannot meet up. And in a way, we've managed. I'm saying that we've managed. And in this heat of this COVID-19, if you are the president or if you are in governance, I think the pressure now is the president he has, if I'm saying he has
Afano South DC honorable you say join na ya to discussion so ofa good COVID-19
ohwe ye tie and ye hu ni dia akoy bibi say technocrat no omo kan krenche
nukure bi esi baby
nukure bi ehita say the mimi si hu no because well ekun a ye ekun a adanu be bia na ejina na wo ka chete hunhwe yie no ene de eba no ba bum echene no wo ka chete so yewie ede ne chese yewie Asante region sana ye de ko ka mo e ma ni shutu ko 200 22,000 no asana yesade ko ka mo from Asante region awo e ko ka mo regional na enya bi mpo regional na yetu etime enya 5 na ka mo
say so far 13 regions
what I can say you do the peak na you do ye no ne de enye say bi mo amode mo ye well educated ye ti kwa fi doctor wa ha ye ka say be do the peak ya be ye nya 1,000 no dey bia na enya 200 afi de we be about 20
yes
and now 12 and now 2 na sa na wo ka sa na so mu no ye free send ye koka ye konya 3,019
but figures never banu susa same a previous one
there be na Asante region kwa ni amfa 50 bom ene ayim koda but ye timi page 50 e bi free Asante region kwa ko bom
is 165 in Asante region
165 and so near 190 something na ye bosse a picture ba ko pena na control 165 et won o kan ko entre
but me said enra as of enra na 163 and the two abeka man ko 165
and say nukure bi wo ba bia o ma ye hu because me menti on man na kasase even say social distancing ya de cho ko dum na wo hwese de nipa si abu afa so pa wo dum me I can't tell say sorry e bi kro mo population in roof 2040 and tilafia 77 brothers and yensa bi ani asempa na me ka tell say nya bibi na wo ba bi no mu de asie yen dia say ma ye ba ye so ni mi woni mo fata but say ye sorry ni ye ba ya apro soa sorry nipa wo bo abefre ma ye binu yensa Sunday ye kwa so kata wo ama no sorry sorry but she nipa difference a wura dwom pie na edwom dey because of economic activity yes ye mo mo nkona nye mo na be free dwom wo de aba na asori ni meka asori general nkramosom ni ayi nyina na ye ni wo community bi ni asukuro bi wo wa mi kro bi ase for instance ye nko asori kura nya nipa 50 e wo mentally say na woman na ye kase ye no kura nti na wo se ye season na edwom fo no kokko fire re ne bre nti won enema bi wo ba bia ase technocrat no emfa no kure ne nkyere aban no ana no kure wo mu ne se aban no a yan pipi aban no agye adwuma wo ya boɔ mbo seriously so we shall address a ye nyina ko bi opon kroma meka wa na ba beka minister of health
da wan na enye
minia ye wo health directorate even health directorate ye wo mu PRO into the other person who the one who ye director of health wo information
press conference ne kwaswa you hear the minister speaks you hear last 2 days minister Bekasai FDA Kasai Dr. Waje Ghana Health Service on one Kasa director and Kasa Kasa
but the American political politics in Kasa technocrat no I think idea what you do
I think upon
the upon crew what you say PRO no or your minister of health PRO and director of health services no or your PRO you won't confirm your doctor we say bibi we want count worker immune system we will come what technology na say in the idea na all canon into what can a carry weight but what can some show of attacks and no some kwata times be what probably pronounce no what you pronounce
that's not what is happening
it is going on this is what is happening akabaye den na COVID-19 platform minister bebara ka say you to body for cities COVID-19 platform I have befani out na nya no kre enti asemo director of health be kan ye no afiri wo bia tiri body na ye 24 cities no wo bia dey perform akwa say ye no kra. This is what I want you to know. Asem na wo kan ye no director of health service be kan ye say ye ABCD no afiri wo bia tiri but body na ye say ye 24 cities no every wo bia dey ko because you are politicizing no na doctor kan say bi na ye me dey say nke ba ye no na ko bia asom both for position here asom ko all of a sudden and a better name political when the man better name political but when you vice president and you taxpayers when so a bad dress be that and so no ko you man platform pe amwa pamu jene amwa be say no and na more opportunity because na yin nimpefe say eniema president na nkrofo put in place ni nyira no enye papa na nakufo do afiri wo man in terms of fighting COVID-19 there or feel wo man put on do mo ni man sika wo mo gigye abi ye wo e wasa wo sirem e de be ye wo mo wo bia because of na ye pesa ba ye politics ntina na ye din say ye ma o man ni sika ya ka sika no o man ni say ye nyina amobrofo ye mo maduane wo pe bia rice water we pe jollof we pe fried rice I don't know how to say me dia mo bi so wo mo aduane no na ye meto mamo it makes sense. But a barrier because of your person, you need to rent ye din. So what they are no run money pana on the decided and then make him one and a minimum and then we pay we but here the government could only drink a transition pro ya press or fenty. Yes, your mother will be conway piano near family winning. So we chilling so chimako, ya conway procedure. Does it make sense? As far as the media will be a
said will be an avenue canoa or that I'm a corona about and also that can't and also that was meeting station or no or chance and working or pack of a co-port on the upper and
say MPP for any transfer now by any transfer no before and what pay assembly justify to say you're really impossible. And now you know maybe and say I you for no more with that form or we are there okay who's that what kind of baby justification you are baby you will do what
okay doc
but my main clarification kakra e be na of atati ase is over that meaning is a technocrat no the bibia AC but a clear example my main fair bin just say France ye bobo you say 90 minutes e to be 8 minutes na obia shebi last 2 minutes no team between the beshebe 4-5 right we know a experiment they are conducting analysis and the samples no you pick from different regions and ye diako and na obi ye ho adwuma enti ekwa ye be code because we nya dia ye be na bia of ata sample na fine na bia me de boze me akọ mixing up well we are precision enti omutimi ye enti bia the whole Ashanti region bia ye sample din nyina timi ekoye bulk na a batch say be a classify group Greater Accra edie and to say bomb bebree there if that is the total number of samples or my collected there and yes so surprising so many BBC that is why they jump but sometimes samples no quite how they manage it and but the key point is that I pick ni say normally omo contact tracing and omo dey buy yehu ne level any yehu so omo so they are infecting crofo na omo man crofo nya so they needed to do the contact tracing to omo ko no na it keeps expanding say yenya bia omo so no ni ahwehwe omo so no omo nya contact so it has gone to a level where it has reached its maximum.
This is
except situations that perhaps it escaped out of the narration. But other than that, now it needs to start coming down. I don't know, but the test result, no asking how it comes there. Tell me to make hospital pass or test. What would you cannibals and to worry will be the results I don't. Abraham now and how they manage the testing. They said technocrat they can't deny this is a very you are also if you are the doctor testing or whatever also your integrity is at stake because look up ye bibi na yet bibi kakra say see am put of ata making assumptions
not when I say emphasis dan from cafe capsules me can say edro no edro e di mensem ene masem e de am to your ba na wono edro bi o ha on be be share so won ti atenka sanso na ensu fi bi fuase eba white fluid bi na sapampan wo kwase bosome so a na unya ho twana ha ben pa ma untimi ina wonso sanso na oyo ba na ase wase no ase wo ha na ase mo ehyehyehye enye papa dare bomodin na epe cafe capsules no ebitimi to so no kunu da na be mehia na wonte atenka cafe capsules me ma no so no na so be ma no ho na ekuru bi aye ho sa sanso na ono yiri selu ya no wa yemre ade be che kwa ndu so rekwa no akwaduma be ma no ha na se efon nyina no yare severe waist pain ma untimi mu aduma o pa so bu mu a na oje mu a unya be bi no nya bo pa cafe capsules amon ko na no di be to na entimi mu a o man Ghana de be to ndru bia no kwa o so ka cafe capsules de bia me kan for the ma emayo a mo ko secondary school in tertiary institutions no se menstrual pain no o ho dia mo be binto na entumi emwa mo be from matu for do pa 2 e o bia 0207 183 819 0207 183 819 bibito na entumi emwa yetwe omra ye ba ye betos.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download.
Yema efa kwaba from Kumawood television sinupi jumadi ene gusua yedie yehwe na etimi esi senupi ama Ghana ehunu sede niema esi etie amanfa bi chakam dia ba me nkan bi etimi emfa emam we every endless kwekweji eho na wode aba kwekweji mention of ko say yenka na doctor NTS say difference ewo kane NPP national chairman secretary and after the copy the difference will nye pekura jimi en fan for pekura na NDC no e akwa say e full party jomo hede ni na so ya fata de okni na ye mo into in ono de aba teacher constitution was say former president John Dramani Mahama no wo hini ni okai say na adu in opposition na okitaje say na adu e pamana nkrofo na ye den ene ne ye ono no be former president no ono so e pam NDC e so teacher kudu tepa ni so na ono so e de aba was say NDC a suspended one of their own I think because e mu pa e mo ma so the NDC for a year and so ni omonhwe to e de mai Christian e de free kono mase e de eba e na Christian so e ka but we ma Ghana for no mo nsere se o asante mantem ne kan ya na e ya yo se NPP awini awie yen enim se NPP be din kugu ama John Dramani Mahama etumi abante ye koso no mo emfa entu emu Naomi eje nkranza Naomi say Samai Mr. Usa Dr. Mami say ojitum so mampani fighting COVID-19 no wa ma no humani ana usama efama me we so Farouk Tema Farouk dia odi aba aso nyami nsa na da Farouk pa say mampani na me ada Roma obo dumasa na we no I just will be a obo nsam ko ansabi so nsam ko a na do mampani enso na ni na nema mampani ye no die kama pa so here life na screen so no ani da ho pa kama no say ECG kura so mampani 3 months or the achieve mu a abi dum so wate so ade any emphasis da emfa well Dr. Makwata say Ghana kwan o ma shaksi your fruits
lawyer Amakwata
doctor lawyer Makwata o say rose ni na no on be complete notwithstanding challenges aba areas ni na baby kwan be mo shaksi within a center region kra no o commercial o ko atunsu sreso ko regional minister krum baba other areas of Boase township roads amyan kwanta ene ade obeka se the human secret life is so bit me every se baka na
o se ma possible that me news no ko amyan kwanta o commend local contractors no it was very nice but se ma Ghana and Kanka Kumasi de Yaka ho asem more pa na I am there for some time. I have seen some changes. Then say me use Kumasi akwan no bebre ho no mo a kan bo chrome side or na asefo no nyina omo gugugu so. My only concern is enko say ye be call rainy season. Na rains no enko ye excuse. The might in terms of construction there, if the funds were coming. Now let me even ask you, I'm quite surprised. Kumasi kwani kura omoye maintain uzo omoye ejuma 24 hours.
Kumasi
construction na omoye because and ideally construction they over to 24 hours. So start here no pa workers no be run e bi ba no pa no mapon na bi abayen even ideally can you make run akwan no ya na emu eden e de da wonti ena contractor for na first o mo ba kwan ne ho a ho aye so mo kono say ni na na funding so be kwa kobisa no say the sikasa so if the minister is saying say o mo be wie ni nyina before 2020 year which is an election year e bi ana ne nancy bibi so
is it possible do you believe in that statement because the minister it seems to be talking too much. Obai obekan so asante na kwani na wampani ya wo ebe nyina ebe wieti na de wampani sabasoso no wo ye nyina no kan na interchange e share in 2017-2018 so for room and then so run about interchange ebe sine ye the obekan say ebe ko 2021
yes
and nyakasa na so kasa
some of so my say ebi wo about for clarification but in terms of rules no because not long now we am for sokoban da ban there no am who Kofi Job adwuma awaye no in fact now is a drink we wia ne sa akọ atuma kwa ngoma ho de no mu kase o mo begu so which was about 2 weeks ago those who the so months or more dreams now boys to say they make an funding. Well, I told you quite so some time ago contract and me say or move to border who crunum say making for who crunum no moba also mam subcontract say go tasa to no for be a one pool so fund the issue is funding. This will be contractors the amount they say omo no and can they this out and then also the rains construction time na dia say me and I can say me fast no sentina I say oh kase and I will believe or the whole Kumasi there Kumasi there I want to concern myself with that of Kumasi and they already rate play with that. What they are working on until 2021. And can grow for a German
Ashanti region under next NPP government. So moving in 2020. I'm going 4 interchange. Ashanti region. Oh, must be precise.
I know they are possibly available on the manifesto. Now on my year. And for now, what do you say? And young quanta. They will be happy to Sevilla to Contenance. So, we are regional ministers, so there be to say people will be happy.
The regional chairman of the party
of MPP.
Yes.
Okay. Over Buokrum airport runabout also Omokate Kwani may do maybe now divert it. No akofa more baby by saying so movie and also. And we can go by his word for the inner city roads. I believe that is his words, and I believe that he will provide funding for that. As for that construction, the Sikaho. Now so be yen kwa dia obetimi aye
Dr. Minasi Obata Ghana Pine
say Mark, one thing is on say the ministers typical example ebini the America said the whole great minister catch me no say you talk about the 4 cities. But here now 400 cities, 500, 300. Okay, just me no say talk about 4 cities because there were election year and me trying to. It's an press release be woman say. Enra, NDC a press conference concerning this year. Minister ya Bejina Kumasi Ashanti already catch say since 1998 including Omampani that Kufuor. Minister Ibejina Kumasi said Kufuor had disappointed Santemai because Kufuor by a new road to be a man Santemai. This the minister workers and say Ombe complete roads I will see any
San Okano for disappointed Santemai.
Yes, San Okano Kodana web Edano Madra online Edano.
The reporters follow you. Mama can't tell me.
And so because reporters know they are sympathetic to NPP. So just here. And until they were crying, I will go and people and mass one of your monka. On best story, 90% of the media houses in Ashanti region don't know Yaron. But because of MPP Gufua, and we will give us over count myself. What can you what I say? Also, can say, see on Mampani that dark for me, but to me, a important number now I'm on for check. On Mampani that dark for disappointed Ashanti. Now, why a pine Ashanti pine arm. That's all my quarter no myself. Maybe to me a young
I will cross check. I have seen the piece.
I'm a better and said since 1984 to 95, remember Eduma of the year, a baby year. 1984 to 84 to 85, I say now that I'm the performer by income. Now, by the and notice all the press release here. JM Atanos regime 2009 up to 2016 16 na ye free kwan mu no ne ya ye Kumasi inner city nye Ashanti regional e kwan ya na NDC ya ye nko na ye 400 kilometer roads ana ne ya ye na so any breakdown no ama wa mu yetimi eye agogo nko Kumewu road ye Kumewu road so be ka ya na wo free Kumewu empo ekọ drobonso a na wontimi nkobepo no ye Kumewu to drobonso ekwan no ye agogo town road hospital dancing to Gidim didi kokko omufuo no ye Asante Achimura Bank Roman Catholic kwan no ye 10 kilometer kopo road from Agogo every kopim Agogo Jembe ye stati dansa domi abra 70% completion NDC me different district na but wo ba Kumewu nko ya about 20 kilometer road a free Bofrindi to Drobonso township na America chiro no ye completed the America chiro be the completed like I said this percentage wo ba Besro Bohankra Agogwas 15 kilometer roads and NDC 1 and 2 aye Joma Mani Atamis regime ye wura so Atakuru 10 kilometer road and contact Mechi Drobonso me pacho ye 13 kilometer road o ba
we na fire maye do we uko
highway Ghana highway na road ministry wo kra e dawo a wo be ya ye tiaka tiniye ya ye even Bosonchu road ya wo kan ye di ma contract Kofi Jones ya na ye di mara no Akufuado 2014
no shase
wo shase 2015 no starting some wo ye wa na nim kwan so no wo ye Akutuo ja bridge no we dey kwa yi ma na ya ye Akutuo ja bridge ni ayi ye ka se go tani ayi na ya ye dada o Akutuo ja ba ni na e ba sile so
in 2015
2016 na ye gusu ye Akufuado ba ye no be ka kire se contract aye de ma ye Kofi Jones na ye de ma no contract ni ayi free figures no into almost suspend road bia no nya we make a famous pronouncement bia o mu ye say na Akufuado ko jina Atafo we book Atafo nyina nim ka tell say all to abama no Akufuado be ye president o sha Atafo nyine boss die muntaka aye asokore mampon no obeye Atafo so sa obema the district aye rules no say dey aye asokore o ka sa story no Kumasi ya o take ni mu wo e ko famansia gbeje nyina e wa na e yi sinsan no adwuma nti sa minister bi betena wo ka kire ye say ye nya hwe na ya anya hwe wo road wo beka 2017-2018 budget MPP di shemu ka kire say o mo ye anunaga interchange suame rama ba na Akufuado na bejina manhia aka kire Asante man say o mo be ye suame roundabout awo a budget and the ones that will see next 2 years assembly worker. Now next 2 years you can't have more point and Akufuado say, "No, you two no your president to be." She have who so much free on Kuma. Who free as you are a profi, some guys are one. A papa ben yam pensa. Nini na ya kwanya ye ma contact no go so ya me papa but abandon.
Okay, did you go my you win na. And on so ka say omo so afidi on ma sha say na. Say good news.
They build the America was a minister named Kano Kure. A quan way in I acquire but Obay see a quan way would be a meaning say the women just said that didn't tear all us say a China Obesa could not have one year that was what Catifo said, or buy project our my Anu Beka says since 89, yen Kumasi Asante with Kumasi Kwebia. How many pounds were JD? Minimum 7 Ufri Bojave, meaning so Ufri Bojave, every cop pim as same praso. Aquano, as facted, yen. A yen DC too, after yes, our bridge, as same praso bridge, and yet Tomama Atamis never I don't Mama Eco Commission under Professor Mill 50 months. And she said, Minister, we the council way to the war. I didn't think it was so good unity. Meaning, so in Lake Kwana, a free and me, I didn't copy you can say, I'm a comb, and you could see and see one road, you know, and your NDC quiet. About way by you, Ashanti Media, not a single district What me a link district no to another district. Meaning so what I say. Thank you.
Oh yeah, fine.
Every person. I go to Bosomefra mo. Okay. I go to Bosomefra mo. And now free Bosomefra mo. I go do Asante Achim. Ni e say e kwa we ya akodu ya. NDC ye mako 10 under North Mahama administration. Ye job so a basic kumawu another district. Ye kumawu because see agogo so when say men you know and we are another district ye agogo kwan no every buy every see kono no district ye na ye busome frɛ ho every basic the kwai another district
and people move
matter singing when you say move o nye
na o betia na so
me pa cho sanko oba ye original say ye be ye na ka do what we can say ya ye free ha and ye free akoduru ya nti ye toa so de akoduru ya nti ye ha nti ye free aha na ye ko eno ne ade wo se minister ka kire otimi ka bi matter singing wano
ye ne sifo
wo be ka ya na bantima hene ejina kemi eni me bra mo integrity kemi no e ka kire na kufu ado se
assembly no
as o mo integrity assembly no ka kire no se what the assembly ya budoza ano mo de ye ne anye to aba mo wi a mo fa ye fa kwa no so bi because say your papa no can. Not a single project in Ashanti region you bet to be and say see you say yes 40% of who vote on nya the way ne 40% of them here Ashanti region vote. Now you buy when you are there nya. Enti na na to ne nkro for there. I party won say your campaign free. And you for do shut down COVID-19 one okay a garden. And no take advantage of the minister for so as kwa na we na enye campaign ti manifesto na wo ton me mo na nya de se no kure bia ru ba ye shada na for bo say NDC two na domama coming back nya me ya dum o we ni election na project bia na do adne saka wa bia ye be complete e bia ma o man na ni afantima
me say nana Kwame Mensah Bonsu Shaka afo ndotro so wasi JM ekan 2016 say nanado e dictator fi say o suspend na party no suspend party ne baby ene the SC so no JM so e be ka say e dey ato no akasa ne wasi oto bobo dan a esa bo wa so ntia enkoma ABY honorable ABY and then honorable Maxwell assembly member for ndotro so Masaudu ede free bantima ede aba Masaudu bantima Masaudu say President Akufo-Addo focus pa na the focus no so no is backed by God na so optimistic say obesan really view no really view so akwan a waka ho asem obeye ama asanteman ehunu na bantima de no kwa de wa sha seleda o eye right enche e ba ho no what so afre during me aba sha ne so say na enka MPP afano South DC ono na wo senka oba binti wonti amba nti ohwe ya ntasa de na NDC any social committee tabet na MPP ninka honorable na wonti amba dot
clarification kakra ovata ade na wo kanu akwan ma o attribute to minister na de no nya minister no speech director but reporter no and I also have said no major road
me reporter some koye no o ma me kan kire say minister say since 1988
but how it was written if you don't read in between the lines that you attribute to say minister it was after saying all they said or no whoever was writing he said this news is expected to be welcomed by residents of Kumasi who haven't seen any major road rehabilitation work since 1996, resulting in a significant portion of the paved network deteriorating.
They've not, the people in Kumasi have not seen any major rehabilitation.
Whoever was writing reported the minister as saying, he said they were going to do A, B, C, D, they mentioned a lot of roads. And then he added, said, this news is expected, so it's not a direct speech of the minister. Okay. But it's like you, the reporter, writing, making that conclusion that this news is expected to be welcomed by the residents of Kumasi who haven't seen any major roads. It's not said that many percent. I want to put it in the context. Say or no can as a minister, no say including making it look as a person as a president for time crown. They didn't do any road network, but we was reporting
on Benetta for time and you as a interchange. As quadi Nebreso and as a full line social see. Tiba one pass minister no. When we now because Kumasi
no, the minister actually the amount of project that they were going to do actually exceeded within that period. That is where he mentioned a lot of projects actually, including the 4 interchanges. Swami
fantastic.
This huge number of projects that he mentioned. That was what the reporter was making it look as if say beyond that period. It's like no government has done such a huge. So it's not a direct write up of the minister.
No fatek I say link up roads and by a road linking districts to another district.
Oh, I'm not. He is drawing my attention, but maybe our training in us, it's an enclave. Tell me if you it's an enclave. Oh no, Kumaru to Kumaru or Kumaru to Brabonso to Agogo. We are all an enclave over there. About to Agogo.
We meet me every he is
making emphasis on to join various districts together.
0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Wait me afraid na afin so atom kana share no say ofra na wa ma TV set no volume no akofom na wati ofon no e beti bia okadia na hefo aka so beto ka.
The man only see many person make I draw my attention. But what he was saying is that he was coming, so he has his fact. But many observers about my interest is that the minister has said the greater Kumasi inner city rules. And if that will be done, now that the organizer by the end of 2020, I think it will be a very good facility. But and also the new addition about that they were able to connect districts, which I believe that the MPP Nino and also one route Leicester, they could banter on that. But then I have not seen mentioned and farm focus in
you're not cross checking from the government.
No, but I know the place it was connected. Yes.
0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Wait me afraid na yafa.
No kure wo say asem no kure ya na ento say bio. Your MPP how many years? On mandate years and 4 years. 4 years no 7 graduates so ye de wo ba ma. Amana na 15 good years. When timi wo ba na anyim. Abusuafo aba say ye beje ye ba de wo makọ. Akwani sequence wo cause mama men fam ne ba ko pe. E fam no de be ba. 3.5 years in here. Some guy famous Ejosu roundabout from here from Mosesano. And your minister we are the best say 1 more 2 weeks. Almost 5 years Ejosu roads no. Sound roundabout no. As at now, sound roundabout ya here. And you say your mouth pong her, you expect pong everyone. Your mouth billions of city. A cook for Bani Abaya. When you see car, I'll probably see a beer in the 4th Republic with a young family regime in the account. In the 4th Republic, what about the sense? That's only be what it.
Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, we are friends.
The Papa new producers, Namen for Federation Chair Fata, and the Chama, Namen for Federation Chair, Dr. Sapo, Dr. Kunko. And NBC executive now. The batch of the back of it. I'm a free the chancellor. I don't know about so. Now, no, say, I bring you, your channel, so I let me for the beer, then training now, I know a two bigger. Because I say, I heard her arm, I know he can in Sama or Tukruma, and no Dima, the Aqua from there, and the social and we are come because when 2 men and car, we are quite far with it. We will be a commercial choir. Your Babas body NBC applying from Warren to Mahama to a Rames, a bomb Babasupa, budget is a confirmation. So confirmation because confirmation area in na mu ne tutu kokoso jala na over the government no person no mutumi nya okokoso from Sofala to Kokoso akoso jafo no nya no and so you good aspect nti e ka commercial pa kuma akwaya ye pa ko pa ye kwa na kudu gba bi na NDT free so ne dia kano MPP be up to now mutumi ne nti e ka commercial pa dia ya this abasubode ba ma ndi sabo ro the government mama e die ni mu 2020 no yen kai no me da ti bebe
na ko ye so e da se fatata so
o nti sa wo hwe sika abedi na nafufu adonsem eni adwuma wa ya ati sa wa ma wo ba wo yire wo bo ya ponoma se bia 1 million for wonu aduane ma na wo ba ye na anwa mu ni si wo na ma wo anwa mu na ba ko nta wo wo san fa tumi nsa nsa MPP for any opportunity I was say the more kwanya private na akonya we so because ma feel o ma na big time sika o pe bia o ma ni de ma wo abotira na nafufu adwene bia na for the man because no bia for better na bunya no da etia de man support o bia media no kankan media no and then nafufu no catch say o do that themselves ase ko che na microphone ne guga them say mo yetu that them say left and right eba excavated timi wura ko for go to filito ti say de katia ya ko to ye go ebutum ni ebutum atete enti say wo twen sa ba we wo say e dra ni etumi nsa wo ba esire so adeja so that the last 3 years ana car bi konya accident e wo nsuo bi so kai up to now bridge ni etimi ya bridge ni wi
hello good evening hello abani ma joy
hello
good evening
good evening
oni aba free
asa do mo la ngaka
abani ma
asa ko ka tendi ko ni ni ka tendi ko de atama se mwa ka da ma wona kan ni da ti de ni tu kafe no ba ibraso atama ti mo ma nda
yes good evening
good evening
oni aba free
but the first thing
kaswa udi ni msa udi to asoma yenko
I'm a traffic as with George.
George Entio.
Never saw Mama Joy. Good evening, we better than a phone answer. Yeah, the American is there. You can't have to Juma. NDC NDP. Madam, I am a fire NDP to NDC. I want to Juma. That's a year than a free year. You will cost NDC abyssal. You will cost NDP abyssal. Nti e ka se obi wa ye Ghana yi a ayi amamo fa ni tin chen o ka credit ni nyina ma NDC na NDP ba ye die aba ti se ma mo de ho mo di anka Ghana ye hu odaruma ye hu NDP mo di bi mo bo ma ye mo ye sipia na ye ka ni dia ye hu NDP mo di bi mo bo de ka ni dia me do mo ne bi na o so e ju aye se kwa se mo be ye no media me hono ta
Yenasi say what's in the P hello good evening
hello
good evening we are free Entio
na pastor na pastor hello
abani Entio
na pastor
Entio
oh wow it's my mama yeah pastor NDP
Rana on TV set na ko from volume ko from na ya tunka ye good evening hello okay hello good evening Asante kama yanko hello
Thomas, let's say. Seriously, more seriously, seriously. Man for queer some more about so. Let's show off a tamame. No, man for queer some more about you. Only thing, one change is in a fantasy in a so. She avoid your last one, you for 20 years. You make a young Japan say, to make a mama or my lawyers for their police station, so much shots in the no. Into a boy, I can't be able to mama with the most. Who say, oh, boy, only what's up, the mama or not. I can go water. What do you say? But also, the Jew did to connect. Oh, you know, minimum sit down. Miss Pukuto. Because the Ufa is not to have a dear Poma Santimai. Who told my acquire, oh, my acquire. Who shall pay for Mama Bay? The beautiful people from me. Ah? Who do I know? Dear, who for the people of Tino? Ah? We want 20, you're good.
All right, serious, yeah, that's it. Also with number 020 06 03 602. Good.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, we have free.
But I'm supposed to have them. What am I doing?
James, yeah, I want to book a train. So, MC from. Hello, James. Right, James is me also. Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Fine.
Name are free.
But I'm going to see ya. You're probably body.
What do you do?
We program now. Why are there the kind of thing I share with you for you? I'm not going to NDC. We want to put your friends and your mama. I got a important bonfire. Then I may have to 2020. Then you have done it. You're going to cancel.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good.
Hello.
Okay, I think so. I know what TV setting. Go no. Nko from cry. Nka sa wa phone. You better work. I phone so apparat. Good.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Ofra na wa ma TV set no akofo no you better good evening.
Hello.
Name my joy. Good. Okay, so free until.
We just say you are going to nice.
Mati yanko.
But you must be when you put away or from what I said. I am with the you be kind of severe. And then, of course, the rest of my say,
Yeah, I see. Acting the young chairs of Penny, Reverend Ango, Assembly of God, acting. Good evening.
Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
Fine evening.
We have a free until.
We create Takazi. Mr. McKay, or move program Taka.
Good.
But you know, it has found Muhammad again will come her. I picked up a present you. Why is he? What do you must have a present you? Eh? As a offensive you can't in the Pueblo. I put a money push your dinner.
Right. Then I see. Two more calls now for you. Good evening. Hello. Hello. Good evening. On tape me. Well, hello. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening. most of my power be my own class, so
Hello, good evening. Well, Yamfa Afrefono is here. Ma venture Ghana. Dot. Yako.
The mind. Na ahwefo nyina ne atifo nyina sese ya bobon sem so kakra ya kwan ne covid-19 ba ye stress yemfa protocols na Ghana Health Service they are very serious na yeni so na yenhwe nhihye a omampanyi nyamedom ya megidi se border closure ne all other restrictions na aka no em say by Sunday or say or sign a kasafa. But I know say or planning how to ease the whole system up. And I said na many can na say one must say yanko market now because I there na sorry in schools. After restriction to me meaning now more to go. You make considerations. And no yeah or the other measures can. We hope say there will be further a year or ne asofu dinkita or ne institutions be din county. You be easier restrictions ne kakra. Something like ibia school there. Meaning say as at now we are planning around tertiary institutions there. We are going online to end the semester. Senior high school so some of the other interventions about. By Sunday, now yet me I buy this is use of sanitizers and as for you know that they offer tamon and as for the more the runa a young former said kind say they should observe those measures. Now I'm why you know.
Doctor
International.
Dr. Naswai, it has a senior lecturer, Kumasi Technical University, and Motinica, say for the kind of money to but don't say I never be beside your mamma, dear, your mamma and you. Abrabo, power, boy, and no catch a gun for so. Now you need to send another by yet the Canadian year. Now, wait a minute, that's other one. So, we have to say something better. Abaya ba kwanu kuma na sha you abaya ba kwa ba the key to mama alone in the complete year see you share the two gas planter akufo ntimi fa bi bia to you share ka get your project Kotokraba market Cape Coast Sports Stadium Bank of Ghana Hospital o share Aferi Hospital project akesia to mama ya and na yebusana na adwa what's in ya ba kokora okata asante na accommodation team member for the NBC and Motini Kano ha NBC nyame ya mo china e be san edmodi echi mo go aye the production crew no DOP Kobe Frank DTR Augustina Ansa MCR Loretta production manager Ochino Ozo PRO Bernard Ade director Samuel Kwabna Dakon and executive producer Samuel Kwabna Dakon Sam Dakon so no and executive producer meaning Eddie Michael Nana Adma go from Mr. Mike Nyame Antom no do china 4:30 to 6:30 the message Nyame sham na on camp and we be out.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for?